Alright guys, so let's go. I would like to show you the concept of mandala generation. Before this screen happened, we need to some menu, but I focus on the significant screens. So on the first screen you need, the name is Emo Mandala. The first screen you need to select your emotion. We have this wheel, and this is made by I forgot the name of psychologist. This is another kind of variation of this wheel with emoji. So we select the right emoji, and then system automatically calculate your current time. Also, I split 24 hours by six part, and then I let explain why. After that, we need to measure your heart rate. So for now, it's just to measure your, and we have some um, this, help to measure with this, but we just need to put the numbers that we have measured. After that, we got the ring, the number of the ring, and is relate by the number of the part of the time. So today is 10, and the ring should be third, and we can then can add this ring to our mandala. And if I measure 3 times per day, so I just collect 3 rings, and this is my result. So on 7:30 I was hungry, then annoyance, then anticipation, and this my heart beats. And Otherwise, if I measure at the night and all 24 hours, so I get the data from the each part of the day, I get the full mandala, and I can mint this variation and also this variation. Next I would like to explain you the process of creation this mandala. So again, the central one is from 0 to 4 p.m. The second one is from 4 to 6. The third is from 8 to 12, and go ahead. So how I can construct? So I'd like to use the sacred geometry. So I make this pattern and then duplicate it and rotate by 15 degrees, and then I add some axis, radial and radius, and circular polar coordination, and then I make some patterns that I would like to use for the pedal creation future, and then I create some leaves here based of my parameters. This is the line that create the mandala. So let's explain how I create this line. For example, we would like to look for the third of circle, third ring of mandala, and let's see. So this is Bezier curve, and start and the end point is defined by the grid, of for here. So I don't move the start and end point some kind. So only I control is just the shape of this triangle, or this not edge of triangle. How I do this? So I have the polar coordinates, and I have two dimensions. One is the level of radius, length of radius. It's connect for my emotion intensity from this emotion wheel. So if I go here, and this is high emotion, this is middle emotion, this is low emotion. So the level of emotion define the radius length. The angle defined by the heartbeat. So if I have very slow oh, sorry, I need to change value, vice versa. So not like this, this is wrong. I will put the 60 here, and 19 here. So if I have a very slow heartbeat, my mandala would like to go to the more round shape. So I just to more relax, right? And then if I go to the more high beat, my leaf gonna be more sharp. So it go here, and like this, or like this. But the way the heartbeat could be in the positive emotion and for the negative. So the positive emotion could be, for example, it could be like ecstasy, or also it could be rage or anger. For the slow beat, it could be serenity, and also it could be sadness, right? I don't know. So this shape is fully controls of these two parameters. And also each ring or each leaf should be colored by some color, right? And this color is the same as in this wheel. So by reading of this mandala, I can see that round shapes is more calm, and sharp shapes is more sharp, or more stressful, or maybe more tense, and the color means my my emotion. That is it. So compared to these scheme, what I have raw data. It's about my selection of emotion, and I have the heartbeat. For now, we just to manual put the heartbeat, but in the future we can make heartbeat by some device. Also, we could achieve the science. So, because we can make some research about the relation between emotional and heartbeat. I already find some science research about this, but why not? Let's check and compare, and then we can train the AI, IA, to guess your emotion by the heartbeat. But maybe it not works. I don't know. And also we put some art, and this is art is not random. It's fully controlled by the geometry and by your data. So I would like to not to use random in these schemes, and I think by these two parameters it should be really unique mandalas for each person. um, that is it. So what do you think?